Hi! Hello! To be what you are is to be the person that you were capable to becoming is a true success of a happy life. Tonight, I am not your Miss Q&A finalist. I am not your summa cum laude. I am not your magna cum laude. Dahil naniniwala po ako ngayong gabi, ang batayan po ng pagpisga ng ating mga murado ay hindi po kung saan o diploma matanggap ng bawat kandidata. But I am proud and humbled to share that I am your Reyna ng Turismo Cavite 2026. My true name is Seth Contreras, hailing all the way from Cabuteño Festival of the Philippines, General Mariano Alvarez Cavite. Thank you and happy fiesta! Once again, I am your candidate number 5 wearing the festival costume of Baguio City Pinagbena Festival. But tonight, do allow me to stand by the name of your one and only Miss, ang babae kong nanggaling sa bakuran ng ABS-CBN. Yes, ako nga po, ang nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Enrique Hill bilang Thunder sa Forevermore. Bakit hindi po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan Binibining Liza Soberano. Thank you so much, judges. Once again, I am your candidate number 4.